In this video, you'll learn how to restart and turn off your Google Pixel Watch. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage the power settings of your device effectively. Start by accessing the power menu on your Google Pixel Watch. To do this, press and hold the crown button located on the side of the watch. Keep holding the button until the power menu appears on the screen. This menu provides you with options to either restart or power off the watch. Ensure that your watch is responsive during this process before moving on to the next step. Next, you will choose between restarting or powering off the device. Tap on the option labeled Restart if you want to reboot your watch. Alternatively, select Power Off if you wish to shut it down completely. If prompted to confirm your selection, make sure to do so. The watch will initiate the chosen process immediately. It is important to wait for the screen to either turn off or display the restart indicator. Avoid interrupting this process as it is crucial for the proper handling of the system. Once the watch has powered off completely, you can turn it back on, press and hold the crown button once again. Wait patiently for the Google logo to appear on the screen. This indicates that the watch is booting up. Allow the system to fully initialize before attempting to use the device. Restarting can be beneficial as it may resolve minor issues and enhance overall performance. After the watch is restarted or powered back on, confirm that everything is functioning properly. Check to see that all features are accessible and that the interface is responsive. If you encounter any issues, you may need to repeat the process or explore additional troubleshooting options. Your Pixel Watch is now ready to be used. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.